So let us see history of radio. So as far as what we do is talk about radio advertisement and television advertisement as well. So in the last class we discussed about print advertisement, newspaper, magazine, etc., etc. So this become second. I mean, basically when we're talking about as first pioneers printing advertisement, and second one most probably radio advertisement. We say broadcasting. Another term we say we had the SLBC is pioneer, one of the Sri Lankan National Broadcasting Corporation. We say Sri Lanka Broadcasting Corporation, SLBC, in all three languages, Tamil, Sinhala, English, Udarata. There are a number of broadcasting was there. That was only one and only broadcasting. Later in 1995, 96, started a number of radio channels. Okay, and it's become very popular advertisement, which has only the advantages compared to newspaper is demonstration. So there you can demonstrate in the radio advertisement comparing newspaper. Newspaper you can have visuals, you cannot demonstrate, you cannot orally speak about the advertisement. But in radio you cannot visibly show the product or things visual, but you can speak. So that become an advantages. So in Sri Lankan history, you can see from SLBG, there are a number of channels are here. We'll able to look at that as well. So history of advertisement and radio advertisement become a station where you have airtime. It work on, as you know, through airwaves. It's work, right? Work through airwaves. It's air expenditure. Compared to newspaper, you have a little bit advantages of radio advertisement as well. Cost effective, where you can schedule very short narrow advertisement, and you get more effective compared to the newspaper. Though you can hold a program and chat about a number of listeners, and you can have a direct feedback. You can have any kind of musical show and run advertisement in between the musical show, and you can ask a quiz about the advertisement and get back how many people have listened. Right? Become a cost effective one. Time efficient, you don't need to go for print. Basically, you have to wait for a day. Print advertisement, when you are putting on newspaper, you have to wait for next day. But radio, you can put only on that, I mean, suddenly that time. Basically, obituary notice, breaking news, you can't go for breaking news on newspaper. But in the radio, you can go for breaking news. Hot news, you can go for breaking new issues. You can just tell in the radio. So it's an advantage. So their time efficient is in a very lead time. When you compare to a newspaper, you have efficient time in the news. And results can measurable. As I told you, can go for some program, some quiz, and just listen about, track how many audience I have listened. Also, you can say that at what time our advertisement was run, and you can ask a question through radio, telephone, transaction through from viewers and find out how many people have seen. And you can measure the results compared to newspaper. But still it have advantage, I mean disadvantages. As I told you, you should have radio. Definitely you should own a radio. Right? And you have to have, you know, coverage. Sometime some area, you know, these waves, broadcasting waves, you don't get. So that should be there. And the program should be attractive, otherwise it doesn't work. You know, when you select a normal ordinary radio channel, it doesn't work. And when you put the advertisement on a normal time, you know, a very boring program time, then your advertisement doesn't work. So that is one of the dependent. And you can just demonstrate, but you cannot show. You know, you cannot show the thing. Compared to television, you have that advantages, demonstration and visual. But when you compare to television, yeah, you don't have visual. The only thing you have to just tell, like announcing, you know, tell like, you know, this product is that and this, just like announcing. So this is the possibility where the listener may forget the immediately for some time. It's just announcing, you know, what happened in the lecture hall or same, you know, maybe listening may will forget very soon. Looking at viewing maybe have compared to listening, it have fewer time remember, right? So that it become an advantage. I mean limitation, disadvantage immediately. And it is very briefly, you know, you cannot be go for elaborated. There you have to show one thing. You have to visually show, otherwise you cannot always elaborate it, you know, just detail discuss. And in the newspaper advertisement, you have to say, this is the product, this is available here, this is this is that, only that. So that become an, only you can just briefly say, otherwise people get bored, right? And no demonstration mean, in a demonstration something else, you have to show and demonstrate, right? Only thing, it's, you know, radio advertisement is mostly like announcing. You say like Coca-Cola is sweet drink, but you cannot say this is the Coca-Cola and this is the shape of the bottle, this is the color of the drink and everything. You cannot show to the audience. You know, it's radio, only in listening. Right? So when you're looking at radio advertisement, compare television, usually abbreviated. I mean television advertisement. Next one. This will be solve disadvantage of the radio and disadvantage of the newspaper as well. You know, it do both action. Where newspaper might have an action of visual, radio might have an actions of listening, and this do both, right? And this give you animation and, you know, something like third generation, but very attractive. Still, it is attractive. Right? So it's a television, it's a TV, and we have number of ads. You know, it has been updated as television ad. You know, it has showed ad copies, and that normally run in social media as well, internet advertisement as well, internet ETV, right? And not only at film ads, cinema had film ads are there, short film awareness program, advertisements are there. A number of ways it has there. Right? But compared to radio and newspaper, cost price, you know, there should be, you know, when you do perform more function features, there should be a cost. Right? So compared to both of that, you have a cost. So television program, you know, measured by company, often used to metric of television. Advertisement placement are there. So there you have to go for the part. There you can have to have a advertisement. But newspaper itself, what you can do is you can just draw a picture. You can write some letter and hand over. Radio, even a company chairman can be an announcer and that. But television, you cannot do it by own or do it by very simply. You have to allocate a separate sectional experts like director, producer, cameraman, actor, script, script writer, screenplay, etc. Because television advertisements are like cinema, short, small mini cinema. So when you go for a shooting, there are all the related activities of shooting also will be included. So that become another not maybe important, but it's become compared to other two. It's become a huge burden to the companies. Right? So effect of television upon the viewer. So here, what we talk about viewership. Newspaper we had talked about readership. Radio we talk about listenership. TV, television we talk about viewership. Television. So this also will be measured by company or by agents and to know how many people are viewer of particular program for a particular channel or a particular day. That's very important. So they might have that kind of a chart to know which program have huge viewership. Or else they simply will know which channel have huge viewership. Or day which day you have more viewership, Sunday, weekdays or weekend, or which time you have more viewership. So that statistic you should know to simply to know, and through that statistic channels will be categorized based on high popularity and low popularity, and based on that popularity the charges per advertisement also will be different. When you have huge viewership, high popularity, high charge, that will be depends. So when you think about television advertisement in 1991, basically July 1st of 1941 in US, right? Watchmaker Belliards, therefore they paid $9 in New York station TV television. They had a basketball match also versus two teams. So that become a first advertisement globally, television advertisement. WNBT is one of the channel in New York station. They have advertised for a advertisement for $9. So when you think about the advantages of the advertisement is television advertising allows the product to reach large number of people. So compared to radio, okay, newspaper, okay, television, it's become basic fundamental goods in all the houses. There it led radio and newspaper. It reduced the usage of the radio mostly. And the newspaper also, you just listen the news rather than reading. Before television arrives, newspaper is an only option. Radio, it's an only option. After television come, people rarely use newspaper. Maybe if they use newspaper, but very rarely they use radios. only on the transportation mode or even in the night lift drivers. On the vehicle, they listen definitely radio. There is no other modes. But compared to earliest days, nowadays the usage of the radio is little bit reduced. So television advertising allows the product to reach the large, that is very easily the large national level, or even you can target it in an international newspaper to international level. TV help in conveying the message or advertisement in sound and visual. So it's become an advantage. Why? Only in the visual you get newspaper, sound in the radio, but you get both together in television. So television can target a large number of local people to local cable network. In addition to that antenna, as you know now, television is used. Television, even though you have television, you have to have antenna set up and all. That is still we use antenna, but very rare. Now we use cable disc. We use dial-up TV, SLT, POTV, etc. etc. We started doing the disc. Also, we started doing cable networks. We have a number of cable networks, number of channels. Maybe like 50 channels, 500 rupees, 400 rupees monthly. So it's huge, right? Various segment people will compare. Now you have program, children's program, cartoon, cooking things, business news, economic news, political news. The programs also based on that. Educational program, you can target people like education. They provide complete flexible and selectivity. So you can select what program you really need. If you want a program like a children's program, you can target an advertisement during that. As they have number of channels, number of television channels and number of programs. There you have given full of freedom. And television advertisement can attract people and convince them to buy. So it become an attractive, as we looked at. It gives you some attractive. Read newspaper, you have to read. Maybe your one organ will work, eyes work. Radio, another organ will work, just listen through your ears. But this both together work. So that is what is attractive. Where you see something, where you listen something together. Can attract. Disadvantage of TV television compared to radio and newspaper, high cost, yes. Because you have number of advantages, then you should have a cost. And TV advertisement short because you cannot have huge advertisement. Television, newspaper maybe like you can have an advertisement printed on the news. Full page. Maybe it costs like 150,000 or 200,000. Radio you can have maybe like 2 minutes maximum. You cannot go for more than a minute radio advertisement. Basically, they just talk about 2 minutes, 3 minutes of advertisement. And compared to television, like there are seconds, few seconds of advertisement. There you had to have few seconds. 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds are there. Very few advertising because of cost, right? Cost is the very main option, and rather than that, you have other options as well. Because simply you can say a thing by television, I mean newspaper, you have to explain a lot. Only text are available. Even in radio, you have to explain by announcing. But this is only you can show a thing. We will have an advertisement. I have just taken a Coca-Cola. It's not an advertisement method. Once it finishes, we looking at outdoor advertisements as well. They are one of the method is sandwich man. We see sandwich man advertisement. We'll have in the next class when we have lecture. So that advertisement we will see today. So it's very attractively they had this advertisement. And TV advertisements are very short, as I told you, and it involves complicated procedure. That is a disadvantage. What we say is it has huge procedure. You should have, like cinema. You have to have number of people to work together, spend lots of time, spend a huge budget. There should be a writer, script writer, dialogue writer, director, producer, cameraman, editor, number of people together work. Like cinema, definitely a cinema. Now cinema will take 3 hours. Now it's 3 minutes, 1 minute. So it's like to me share this. Look at this. So it's like a way we say way we attract, and suddenly they get into out display advertisement, outdoor advertisement, or even we say sandwich man, just dress like and suddenly get into the train and attract, right? So so we have this agency, advertising agency. Right? Now, what simply when you go for this kind of television advertisement, maybe it take like huge cost. It's burden to a company, to have a department, production department. Then in the production department, there should be actor, director, number of people together. So it may be burden and cost-wise, it is huge cost to a company. So what they do is they will hand over this to an agency, outsource to people done, and they will plan these advertisement together and plan, do all the things and run the advertisement up to running stage, then only commission will be get from this. So they will design and in the advertisement copy, company director will see if there any changes, only they let them know, and they will run because they are experts. They might have a production department, and they might have actor, actress. They might have agreement with the role models, modeling people, actors. They might have a specialized cameraman, director, and they might have close contact with medias, very close contact with, networking with newspapers, radio, television. So doing this kind of activity for them is very simple rather than do by a company. Company have to spend a lot of money, waste human resource on that. Run 2 or 3 advertisements per year, they have to do this. But agency might have connected with all the clients, I mean companies, number of companies, and they do. So their job is to do this, and they get number of activities. And as they are experts working on that, you get quality advertisement and maybe very cheap advertisement. So advertisement agency, what they do is they will collect orders from the company, and they will plan, design, finally organize advertisement and hand over to a company, get approval and run on the media, and then they get the payment back, commission back. As they are say, we say agency, they get commission. So they might go for planning and prepare advertisement, plan the advertisement, prepare and executing advertisement campaign on the medias, and they get the money back. They get commission. Right? So agency is a body of experts specializing in advertisement. They have number of activity will be performed. One is planning. So what they do is they plan the advertising agency of study. What they do is they will plan, study the product. They might be very simply study, right? What product, whether it's soap or toothpaste or any food related products, right? And identify the hidden qualities of the product. That's very important. You cannot tell all the thing about the product. It's unnecessary to tell all the thing about the product. You have to tell one unique quality of the product. In advertisement, it's simply enough. You have to tell the one unique inherent quality or any hidden quality. You have to identify that important quality of the product, unique quality of the product, and you have to tell a unique quality mean there you have and others don't have, competitor doesn't have. For an example, Lux soap mean that soap might have make the people fairer compared to competitors' products. That is unique. So in planning, what they do is they will study about the product, study about the company, study about the product thing, and know the hidden qualities about the product. And prepare. After the study of the product, then they will prepare, right? This is the product, this is the hidden quality. Then they prepare advertisement by going on writing the scripts, and they will plan, and they will shoot the things and make it ready as ad copy. We say ad copy. Right? Ad copy mean the now ad is ready. The sample ad is ready. Now the sample ad is ready. After that, they will go for execution time. Execution means now media is selected for the time of space. Ad is delivered to media. Before that, they will get the advices or comment from the company itself. They send the ad copy, and company also give back the comments. After that, the media is selected for a time of space. So after ad release, payment is done normally, and the client will be reordered. So this is the three basic steps: planning, preparing, executing. Three steps. Advertising agency perform following activity for the clients: planning, preparing, and execution. So this is main three one. Basically, they will know about the product. Then they will design it. Finally, they go and run the advertisement and get the payment from the client. So in addition to that, they will go for a number of functions. Now, function of advertising agency. Right? So contacting clients. So they will contact all the clients. So their clients are companies. Now advertising agencies clients are companies. So they are clients. In other term, we say customers. So agencies, customers are companies. So this advertising agency first of all identify and contact all the firms basically which are desired to the advertising. So through that they will start getting advertisement. It's like selling. They have to contact all the customers and get advertisement. After they get an order, they will start planning. Again, they go for planning stage. They just think about planned advertising and know about the client, know about the client's product, study about the client's product to identify inherent quality. You have to identify that inherent quality. It's very important. Inherent quality means any unique characteristic or features of the product. So after that creative function, then you have to go for advertisement shoot. Then once you decide with planning, then you know this is the inherent quality. Lux soap make you more fairer, then it's a quality where Lux had and other soaps doesn't have. Then what you do is basically compare that quality as an advertising message. Then you go for like copywriter, artist, you select all the people together and you started organizing. Then you design and use develop ad copy. Then shooting will be start, editing will be done. And you coordinated with all the people, artists, writers, designer, animator, graphic designer, directors, right? Observing. Then what happened is approval of the client. Then you send the rough copy to the company for approval. Sometimes the company might have come up with comments, or without comment they approve. They say, oh, okay, good, very good. Right? But sometimes they say, no, I mean good, then otherwise they say not good. So media, after approval, then you started selecting the media. You go for which media. The newspaper, basically, when you go for this kind of shooting and all, it is not TV. Then you go for media selection, which media will be selected, schedule the advertisement, when on Sundays or weekend or what time, basically based on your Number of advertisement, basically everything based on the company's budget, company's idea, company's client's idea. Because it basically media cost is one advantage, because in some advertisement you can run two advertisement in one media, and other media sometimes you have to run only one media advertisement. It's basically about media cost. Again, then media coverages are there. In some media can cover huge population, huge audience, huge viewers. Budget also another factor, nature of the product also another factor. Clients need, you have to get it from the clients. Target customer, you have to, maybe your target customer are like working adults, then you have to run the TV because in the working time they are not looking at the TV. Likewise, you have to consider number of items, number of factors, and select the media. And then after approval from the company, as I told you, then you hand over to the media to run the advertisement. Advertisement will be run. Basically, you go for a evaluation of the advertisement and see with how many people have seen, how many benefits, how many clients, how many audience have seen the advertisement. So this is up to the agency's main function. Get the comments from the thing and finally run the advertisement. Up to get the payment. Then after that they have to get the payment. Basically they will get the payment and pay to the media. They will get their commission as well. So main function of advertisement agency related to advertising. So in addition to that, marketing functions are there. They not only strictly with advertising, and they started doing other function as well. They like to do other function as well. Marketing function, research function, accounting function. They started to agency perform activity like selecting target audience, designing the product. Maybe like they help them to packaging as well. Some agents basically based on their capacity they do. Not all the advertising agencies are do this marketing function. But basically beyond their level, they sometimes they do number. They get huge sales not only through advertisement, they get through the other sales as well, orders from the clients. So when you perform like this, easily the clients will contact you because you have accounting works also. You are doing accounts and you do research, you do other packaging function, product designing, management advisors, management consultant. Right? So they get connected. So these are sub activity to attract the clients, and they start doing it. Determining pricing, study of channel distribution, market research. They sometimes they do sales promotion as well. The search function, definitely they started to identify the circulation, identify the viewership, listenership, design the product, media cost, media reach, circulation, new entry of media, this kind of researches. TRP, everybody know. TRP mean number of turn per rate on the all the television program. Become popular. It's like viewership. Ratings. They do research activity. They do some surveys, populational survey. They go for brand market share survey, brand survey. And accounting functions also. They started doing sometimes. Some company might they don't have accounting. For the audit perspective, it will be normally company will hand over accounting to audit firms. So it is also a function where audit firm perform and this marketing Advertising agency also perform audit firm function. They might have recruit one staff, audit staff, and he'll do all kind of things. So these are additional function done by advertising agency. So functions of advertising agency, main function and additional. So number of function will be. So type of agency, there are a number of types. So with this handout will be wind up. So there are a number of types. One is full service agency, where what they do is they will do all the work together. From collecting an order and get the payment. Full work by an advertising agency is that. As we told you, planning, preparing, and executing the plan. All three together. So they get the order from a client and research, plan, creating, producing it, and get the select the media and get the payment. That is one. And in-house means only they are responsible for plan and prepare the advertisement only. Media selection, that and this will be done by the company. So only expert activity, what is that? To get an idea about the advertisement will be given to this people. And creative boutique, that is known as their creative concept only. This is only the concept. Concept development only. Team development. So you can note, if you want full, as we also can do, full service or half service or idea only, simply. You can get a cooking man and cook. Or else get a cooking man and only prepare idea, asking only idea, but you are cooking. Likewise. So simple size thing. Media buying services, this is like, only you are preparing the advertisement company, but asking help from the agency to media buy only. Media selection and the media on television or art and part services. Also available in the advertising agency. La carte agency is like full service agency. It purchase fully getting like contract based. 1 month, I have to do all the things. Some advertiser prefer to order rather than using all the services. La carte can be a purchase from a full service agency or from an individual firm, deal with creative work, media, production, research, other marketing activities, etc. So full service agency plus something more, la carte agency. So companies can select one of these based on their budget, based on their financial infrastructure capacity. It depends. There are each and everyone might have advantage and the disadvantage. It's a different story. But people can select based on their capacity. That is what number of, it's break down things. If you don't have enough budget, you can select in the last one. If you don't have enough budget, you can get only a creative concept only. If you have enough budget, you go for la carte or you go for full service. So it's there. Special service agency is focused on the special selected product only. You just go for one type of product only. You are not doing all the advertisement. You are doing only fast moving consumer goods, or you are doing only automobile products, or you are doing only for electronic mobile phone, because you are specialized on that. This is sweet chops are, it's very popular even in one city, not in everywhere. So you can't get help from everywhere. Only small clients can deal with. They are not doing only huge things, but they are doing banner post, small editions, small designing, graphic design, etc. etc. Sweet chops. So these are type of agency, advertising agency, right? So with that, I decided to wind up.